Hi friends, today I will show you how to find watch later videos on YouTube. First, navigate to YouTube. In order to add any videos to watch later, click on the three dots and click on Save to Watch Later. You can find the playlist on the left of your screen. From here you can also remove the video by clicking on three dots and clicking Remove Watch Later. Now I will show you how to do this on your mobile phone. Open the YouTube app, click on the bottom right icon and go to Watch Later. You can also remove the videos by swiping left on them and clicking the delete icon. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.